Watch until the end to find out more. History has shown that the Lockheed AH-56 Cheyenne helicopter, selected to meet the Army's Advanced Air Support System competition, would not be able to fulfill all the escort and fire suppression tasks requested by the Department of Defense. The Air Force concluded that it must acquire a simple, effective, inexpensive, dedicated and survivable aircraft, at least as capable as the A-1. The result was the A-10 Thunderbolt II, known as the Warthog. Known as the tank killer, the A-10 is equipped with a massive 30mm Gatling gun, described as being about the size of a Volkswagen Beetle and firing 3,900 rounds per minute. The rounds are also described as being about the size of milk jugs, made of extremely dense uranium, and designed to destroy a variety of ground targets including tanks. The A-10 carries 1,174 rounds for this massive gun. The A-10's combination of agility, flexibility, and destructive power gives the aircraft unmatched serve. One of the most significant upgrades is the incorporation The GBU-39 is a 250-pound high-explosive bomb equipped with wings and a guidance system, allowing it to strike ground targets individuals at a distance of up to 40 miles. Hello everyone, the A-10 Warthog, a public favorite, has finally received a major upgrade and will remain in service for another decade. What has been upgraded and what role will this legendary